Ever wondered how to give your dog the freedom to roam without worry? With traditional fences or buried wires, setup can be a hassle and monitoring unreliable. This is the Pawious wireless dog fence, a game changer. It's the most precise and accurate wireless fence, covering up to 1 acre with no digging or wires. Setup is quick and easy, and you can control up to 3 dogs with 1 transmitter. Real-time distance tracking keeps you informed, and you'll be notified if they try to escape. Transform your yard into a safe haven with the Pawious wireless dog fence. Ensure your pet's safety and freedom.